No. So our next video is about on second algorithm of CG, that is and second algorithm of polygon filling algorithm, that is boundary fill algorithm. And all you know about boundary. What is boundary? If we have a triangle, rectangle, square, so all these sides or edges we have to say that this is a boundary of the shapes. Okay, so boundary fill algorithm is basically what he's actually doing. We are using a boundary fill algorithm, so we have to fill the polygon. So this is a polygon, and I tell you that polygon is basically what? Polygon is basically it's a have a edges or sides, but which do not have any type of curves. This type of shapes is called as a polygon. Now here it's this is a diagram, and we have the apply a boundary on this shape or on this diagram. Now we have to fill this polygon using boundary fill algorithm. Now in boundary fill algorithm there are some conditions. Okay, now first condition is what? The first condition is saying that the first condition is what? We have to check the boundary outside color. Boundary outside color and boundary inside color. So here we are representing boundary outside color with the purple color. Okay, now boundary inside color we are representing with the sky blue color. Okay, so boundary fill color we are using purple color and sky blue color. So the basically condition is what saying we have to check the outside color of the boundary, if outside of the polygon is filled or not, or inside of polygon is with fill or color something is filled or not. So here some pixels are already available here. This is our pixels, which is I told you that in computer graphics or in our computer some pixels are already available, so that they can wake up on the when they call, they wake up and spread the color, they fill the color as they are want to do. Okay, now here some pixels are already available here, so we have to fill this polygon using some is this pixels. Okay, now so if we want to do the fill the polygon, so we are using here some pixel. Now we are selecting this pixel. Okay, now we have color that pixel as a sky blue color, so here this pixel will be our seed pixel. Okay, so this pixel will be our seed pixel. So this pixel what actually do? It spread the color all over the polygon one by one, so that all the pixel will be fill up the color, and they check if their neighbor pixel or their side pixel is already filled or not. They fill the polygon by one, and they reach at the side of the boundary. If they reach at the boundary, and they check if the boundary is already filled, so that they can do, they stop the procedure at that time. Okay, now so pixel what actually do? It pixel will pixel fills the neighbor one by one as a color. Okay, now so in boundary fill algorithm there are two approaches. What two are approaches? First one is four connected approach, and second one is 8 connected approach. So now here we are start from 4 connected approach. So what 4 connected approach? Basically polygon boundary filling polygon algorithm using a 4 connected approach. So what actually do? So here for example we are taking here that pixel. So here it's our seed pixel. Okay, seed pixel. So what seed pixel will actually do, because he wants to spread the color in the polygon. So what he will check, it goes his right, his left, his above and his below. So here it's right, it's left, it's above and it's below. So here our seed pixel, so it goes from here right, above, left and below. So here our seed pixel is this corner. So it's go from which side? So firstly he go from his right side. So if he find its neighbor pixel is free, so he can do the fill the color. If he found this pixel is already filled, so he can go from above side, left side or below side. So here it don't go below side because there is a boundary. So it's actually where he go from right side. Now here he going. So one thing you have to remember, it's one by one it's going from right side, but this one by one it's changing its position. So the next pixel it our seed pixel. Now this is our seed pixel. Now it's going to its right side. If we find its pixel is available, so he can fill with the blue color. If we find then one by one is going, so we are filling these lines. Okay, now this line is filled. Now we are reach at the last point. So the pixel it's finding that the right side is not available here, so he reach on the boundary side. So where he can go now? Now he can go from its right side, but it's not available here, so he can go from its left side. So left side is also filled. So where he can go now? He can go from its above side. So now he can go from above side. So start from above side, he fill the pixel. Now our this pixel is our seed pixel. Seed pixel is already filled. Now seed pixel with what will check? It's check its neighboring pixel. Now seed pixel is checking its neighbor pixel. So left side pixel is already available. Now he can do the same procedure with it. So this is our now seed pixel. We'll check from left side pixels and right side and above pixels. Now suppose we are doing this procedure again. Now this is our pixel, seed pixel now, and he finds the boundary is already filled. So what he actually do? He goes from the above side. Okay, now above side is going. Now this is our seed pixel. That's one by one all the seed pixel is going from upward and downside. So it is absolutely not going, because we are starting from the downward. So that's why it is going from the above direction, and one by one left right is doing. Now actually if he reach at that point, now he's place here. Okay, now what he actually do? He's going now upward side. He's again doing. If here reach, now here can what he doing actually? Here stop it. Now but our pixel is what here, so he can go from left side, then right side, then upward direction, and it's a type of 4 connected approach. So this is the 4 connected approach. I show you a 8 connected approach diagram. Okay, so basically this is a diagram of polygon. Okay, in previous diagram we fill the polygon by using 4 connected approach. Okay, so he fill. Now if we are reaching at that point, but he can't go to the right side, but he wants to do upward side, but here hits back. Now what he actually do? Because our boundary color is what? Our boundary color is purple. Okay, so at that time is in confusing now condition. So where I can go? So he can use 8 connected approach technique. In 8 connected approach, what happen? in 8 connected approach, it provide us a 8 direction. That is our, if this is our seed pixel, then it can go from above direction, right direction, left direction, and below direction. That is below, right, above, left. And in 8 direction, 8 connected approach, it can also grow, it can also go the diagonally directions. So this is called as a 8 connected approach, because it providing us a diagonal connection. So that's why, if our pixel is reaching at that point, he can't go to the left side, he can't go to the right side, and it can't go through the right above direction. So he can find that pixels is available to the diagonally, so he can fill up that polygon, fill that pixel, and he continue this procedure one by one. Okay. Okay, thank you.